friends. Today we're doing counting, and then we're counting how many stuff are here.
Wait, but before we count, what is this? Why is this such a big box? What is this thing called?
Rusty the Fixer.
This is the Rusty the Fixer?
Yeah, but you want to look inside?
Yeah, I want to look inside.
Okay.
What's inside? Wow, this is so cool.
Hey, not like that.
Oh,
That's
okay.
afraid.
All right.
And see?
Wow,
And
this
this?
is... What is that?
That's not grabbing to grab something.
Like to grab food?
No, grab something is on the out on the house. It's from the house.
Oh,
Or it's from a
okay.
treasure from not the
Choo,
house.
choo, 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 choo. Oh no, crashing, I'm crashing. Oh no, I need help. My
I can
airplane
help
is not
you.
working. Help, please,
I can help you.
Okay, my airplane is not working.
Wait, I got to sit.
Who are you?
I'm Rusty the Fixer.
You fixing everything?
Yeah. I can fix-
Can you help me? The wheel is
Wait.
not working.
Okay. I hold you.
But wait, what do you do? Are you taking my wheel away?
No, I'm putting you in here.
Oh, what do you do with my airplane? Don't break it, okay? I'm
not
scared.
breaking Here, just go here. It not hurts you. I just got to fix your back wheel. It not hurts you.
What's that?
Those are my tools to fix.
Why it takes so long? I'm in the hurry. You're so long. Excuse me, I'm waiting.
You're all done.
Oh, you done?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. And can you please help me count how many wheels do I have here?
Actually, I have 4.
How do you know it's 4?
Bruce big and then it's 2 and 2, 4.
Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
But this is too small. And what is this?
Oh no.
What happened?
That's your bringer.
Oh,
You actually, and then come show you.
okay.
You
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah. And then what happened? Ooh la la! Wow, so cool. Let me try again. Okay, I'm gonna fly. Ready? And yo! That is awesome.
You break this one now, see?
Oh, can you fix it for me?
It's okay, you don't need to go there anymore. Now you got to just get upstairs.
Okay, it's late now. I have to go home and sleep. Can I have my airplane back? I'm going home and sleep and then I can come back tomorrow. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come back tomorrow, so I will see you tomorrow.
Bye, now sleep like this.
Okay, so, okay, good night. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. We'll see you next